Hello everyone, so today we are going to do another chapter of class 2, that is plants and their uses. Start with the parts of plant. As you can see the picture of a plant, there are various parts that are above the soil. However, you find roots below the soil. Here, the parts that are above the soil are flower, fruit, leaf, stem, and the part that is below the soil are roots. What is root? The part of a plant that is below the soil is called root. The roots of some plants can be eaten raw, like carrot and radish. Every part in the plant has certain function to perform. Similarly, root also has a function to perform. The root fixes the plants to the soil. It also absorbs water from the soil and passes it to stem. The picture you are seeing is a picture of a stem. The stem is also a part of a plant that grows above the soil. Stem also has certain functions to perform. It holds the branches, flowers, leaves, and fruits. It also carries water from the roots to the leaves. It also carries food made by the leaves to other parts of plant. Another part of plant is leaf. The leaf is the green part of the plant. It is also called the kitchen of the plant as leaves prepare food for the plant. Some plants bear flowers. Such plants are called flowering plants. Examples: jasmine, rose, sunflower, and hibiscus plants are flowering plants. Flowers are the most beautiful parts of the plant. They are of different shapes and colors. They attract bees and butterflies. We studied about flower as a part of plant. Have you ever heard that flower changes to fruit? Yes, you heard me right. Some flowers become fruits. Like flower of a mango tree turns to mango, pomegranate tree turns to pomegranate. Most new plants grow from a seed. And where do you find seeds? Seeds are found inside most fruits. Different fruits have different number of seeds. Some fruits like mangoes have only one seed. However, apples and oranges have two or more seeds. Some fruits such as papayas, watermelons have many seeds. There are many uses of plants. Let us study some of the uses of plants. We get food from plants. We get fruits, vegetables, sugar, pulses, grains, etc. from plants. Bees collect nectar from flowers to make honey. We get wood from plants. We get wood from the trunk and branches of big trees. Wood is used for making furniture, houses, pencils, etc. We get cotton and jute fiber from plants. Clothes, threads, bags, and stuffed toys are made from cotton. Bags, sacks, ropes, and mats are made from jute fiber. Nowadays, jute is also used for making dress material. We get rubber and gum from the juices of trees. However, paper is made from the pulp of wood. Some plants have medicinal value, like tulsi, eucalyptus tree are good for cough and cold. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plant. Coffee is made from the seeds of the coffee plant. However, chocolate is made from the cocoa beans that we get from plants. We get oil for cooking and for our hair from plants. Flowers of many plants and wood such as sandalwood are used in making perfumes. We get various spices like clove, cardamom, cinnamon, etc. from plants. Cloves are also used for dental purposes. We get beautiful flowers from plants which are used for decoration, for religious purposes. Girls and women in many parts of India wear flowers in their hair. Traditionally, we used to offer garlands and bouquets to welcome guests. Plants give oxygen. We all need oxygen to breathe. Plants also provide shade and shelter to many birds and animals. So, today we learnt about plants and their uses. different parts of plants, what are the functions of different parts, and how are plants useful to us.